Okay, the tools needed here are just a 1/2-inch socket. You can use a wrench or you can go ahead and use a power tool. This is a very simple install. Alright, so I've jumped in the back of the box here and I've shut the tailgate. By shutting the tailgate, that allows you to sort of center the Pro X15 rail on top here. I start with the driver's side first. Grab the middle clamp first. I'm going to snug this on. Now, I'm not going to over tighten it now. I'm just going to snug it on so I can make sure this rail is centered and where I want it to be. So yep, as you can see, it's all good. And now you're going to start off with the tailgate after the middle piece. Tailgate's a bit different because there is a rubber seal that is on that rail assembly, but it ends a little bit before the end of that tailgate piece there. So you want to make sure you get it right at the end there. Snug it up, and then you're going to move on to the front cab one here. So the cab one is a little bit different than the tailgate because the rubber seal goes all the way to the end. You also want to take that clamp and get it as close to the cab as possible. Alright, so that's the inside on. As you can see, I'm using the bottom part here, right there. Bottom part as well. There we go. Driver's side on. And now we're moving on to the passenger side. So you're going to make sure the tailgate's still shut. You're going to grab that Pro X15 rail. Make sure it's nice and centered on top of the box there. Once you've got it nice and squared away there, again, start off with the middle clamp. Get that on there, and then you're going to use a 1/2-inch socket. Make sure not to over tighten it yet because you're just going to snug it up and make sure that everything is where it should be. Once you've got that accomplished, you're going to move on to the tailgate. Same thing still applies here on the tailgate. That rubber seal only goes so far on the rail, so make sure you go as far as you can where that rubber seal ends, so you're very close to the tailgate. Once you get that done, you're going back up to the front cab portion, and again, this one you have to put as close as you possibly can to the actual cab itself. And you snug those bad boys on, get them on, make sure everything is nice and tight. And yeah, here we are. We've got the driver's side and passenger side now fully done. This kit also comes with a bulkhead seal that supplied the box. If your pickup has factory bed cabs, you'll probably need to install this. I just didn't videotape it, but I did put it on. Remember to undo your safety straps from the actual cover before you install the cover onto your rails. Okay, now you're ready to take that cover and put it on the bulkhead, and you're going to make sure that the latch assembly makes a clicking sound. There it is, and now you know it's secured to the rails. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys love this Pro X15 as much as I do.